Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to access the Moodle or the online training system via PC. There's also a way you can access it via the app. So I've logged in as the user and I've gone to my courses. It's showing one course at the moment, so there's only one course loaded, only one course paid for. Like I said, if the user has 5 different courses, all 5 here will show. So let me click on it. It's going to take me to the online system. So this is the interface the normal user or the student will see. It's telling me the course that they are actually enrolled into. So if they have been enrolled into different courses, we will see at the bottom another course name, and if there's 5 courses you will see 5 different course names. At the moment it's just the one course. And what's nice about the system, you have private files as well, so I can go and click on it. So the private files is if the person is working on the course and they want to upload a Word document that they were making notes on, they can upload the Word document here. If they've got some exercise files they want to save here, they can just use it. It's a nice space for them to save some documentation while they're going through the course. They've got a 100 meg limit of information, so you can upload images here, Word documents, notepad, notes, whatever they can upload here. Then there's a calendar as well. So this calendar is separate from the main website's calendar. So in this case you don't have to use this option, but let's say you've got different students. Let's say you've got 50 students writing into this course at once, and the dean or the person that's running the course wants to make an announcement on a certain time, or there's an online there's not online, but there's a workshop they need to attend to. The dean or the administrator can actually go and make some appointment on this calendar, and the student will actually see the appointment on the calendar and go and see what's going on there. So at the moment we're not using this option. These calendars are specific at the moment. They will see all the courses. They're written into its dates and appointments, so they can actually also go and choose which course they're written into and see if there's actually dates. So if you've got students that are writing in to the courses at different times, this probably won't be needed. But if you have students, like I said, bulk students that are going to do this course over the next week, you can use this facility as well. So it's just to manage your students and give them, let's say you need to remind them by the Friday the 4th they need to complete this course. You can actually create an event that will actually pop up here and say you need to complete this course by the 4th, and email the administrator when you finished or whatever. So this is just a feature of the website. So if the user feels lost, or the student, they can click on the dashboard. Here they will be able to see they can actually do messaging, so you can click on messaging, and if they know of any other students that are written into this course or are using TMS Africa as a learning platform, they can short message or fast message the users. This is a message system completely different to the one that's running on the website. The website is for the forum and all users are registered. This is message system just for users that have bought online course and are at the moment busy with online course. Okay, so it's just a nice feature, and they can search other users here. At the moment the system is just demo, so it's only demo users and admin at the moment here. So let me go back to this course I'm written into or enrolled into. So the course format, it will show you, you can use badges, but this is something that can be put off as well. So what a badge will do is, if a student is very active on this system, they can actually earn badges. Badges, you can start as a newbie, and maybe if you've done 5 courses you can have a badge that says you are quite competent, whatever, but it's something you can put off. You can also go and view other participants that's written into this course. At the moment, I don't think there's any other people, so if I click here, they're not going to show me other users. And that's also when you'll be able to see who's written into this course, and you can chat to them via the chat system as well. Then the grades, you can go and view the grades. At the moment, they haven't written into any tests, so there won't be any grades. Here we'll see the module 1 and module 2 and module 3. So this course is split into 3 modules. And if I go and through the modules, you will see this is more highlighted than this part here. And all that this means is the student will be able to access this part of the course, and only if they finished activity 1 they'll be able to access activity 2. So though they can see what's here, they won't be able to click on anything. They can click on here because it goes back to activity 1, but they won't be able to do activity 3, 4, and if they go maybe let's say to module 2, in module 2 they will also won't be able to. If I scroll down to module 2, you'll see activity 5, 6, 7, 8, all of them, it's grayed out so they can see what they're going to have to go and do, but they can't go and do them. Same with rights of fathers, module 3. So if I scroll down to it, you will see they will be able to see what they can go and do, and what time they have to spend. So they have to spend 2 minutes downloading a PDF, they have to spend maybe 10 minutes watching a video, and they will do a multiple question test. And yes, also the certificate of completion, they won't be able to see or access a certificate unless they meet all the requirements that are needed. So I'm going to show just now what the requirements are. So yeah, so that makes the system nice. They can't split to or skip a system, and that's going to make the system able to track the progression, and also see how long they spent on certain elements, and make sure that they've watched the videos and read the content and stuff like that.